Welcome to HiExchange, an online platform to exchange your crypto and digital currencies. In the following video, we are going to demonstrate how to exchange Tether USDT to Bitcoin. As you enter the home page, select Tether and Bitcoin, type in the desired amount, and you can see exactly how much you send, how much you receive, and how much your network fee is. On the second step, you need to enter your Bitcoin wallet address and your email address. Bear in mind that typing your phone number is optional, but there are benefits for those who sign up on HiExchange. For example, you can take advantage of our affiliate program and earn money online. On the third step, you have information regarding your transaction. Please review them carefully and you can see how much you receive on this order. Complete the CAPTCHA and click on the exchange button to head to the last step. Here you will have all the information about your order. You can see how much you send and you receive. Please dedicate some time to read our terms and conditions, as you can see here. Further down below, you will have a track ID. With your track ID, you can see exactly at which stage your order is anytime. Do not share your track ID with anybody else. Down below, you will have HiExchange's Tether wallet address. You will send your Tether to this address, and having done that, you need to upload a screenshot of the receipt. Click on I agree to terms, and you're pretty much good to go at this point. Once again, you can check your order status with your track ID. Thank you.